Hello students, today I am going to discuss super profit method. In last video I have discussed formulas and definition of super profit method. In this video you will know about how to solve problem and solutions. Okay, in this video you will know about it. And previous video I have also discussed weighted average profit method. Okay, problem and solution, definition, meaning, etc., formula, each and everything. In this video you will know about problem and solution of super profit method. This is partnership chapter 2 goodwill. Okay, please see it. Super profit method. Okay, this is problem. This is super profit method. This is problem. Please see it. A firm earned net profit during the last 7 years. Okay, in last 7 years, firm earned profit and loss also. Okay, in last 7 years, 1982 20,000 profit, 1983 70,000 loss. Whenever profit is given, then you will plus, and whenever loss is given, then you will minus. Okay, already I have discussed is average profit method and weighted average profit method. Okay, 1982 20,000, 1983 70,000. 1984 40,000 loss. Okay, 1995 2,000 50,000 2,50,000 profit. 1987 6 2,70,000 profit. 1987 3 lakh profit. 1988 3,20,000 profit. Okay, the capital invested in the firm is 12 lakh. Okay, normal rate of return in the similar type of business is 10%. I will invested 12 lakh. Definitely I will get 10% normal rate of return. Okay, 10%. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 1/2 years. Okay, purchase of average super profit earned during the above mentioned 7 years. How many years? 7 years. It is very simple sums. You can do very easily without any problem. Okay, try to see these sums. Please see it. We know very well a firm earned net profit during the last 7 years. How will you do? Okay. So here you will write total profit of last 7 years. Total profit of last 7 years already given above. Total profit of last 7 years. Okay. 20,000. 20,000 minus 20,000 given minus 70,000 minus 40,000. Why minus? Because loss is given. Okay. 20,000 minus 70,000, then minus 40,000. Okay, plus 2,50,000. Plus 2,70,000. Plus 3 lakh. Okay, plus 3,20,000. In average profit method and weighted average profit means already I have discussed. Whenever profit is given, then you will plus, and whenever minus loss is given, then you will do minus. Okay. Then calculate it. How much? Please calculate. First 20,000. Okay, please understand. Total profit of last 7 years. First 20,000 minus 70,000 minus 40,000 plus 2,50,000. Okay. Plus 2,70,000 plus 3 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 3,20,000. Okay. It's got to 10,50,000. Clear? What is 10,50,000 is total profit of 7 years. Now we are going to do average profit. So we know very well average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of year purchase. The average profit is equal to average profit is equal to 10,50,000. 10,50,000 divided by how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divided by 7. Okay. Then please divide it. 10,50,000 divided by 7. 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Okay. Please see it. Average profit is equal to 10,50,000 divided by 7 is equal to 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is your average profit. Okay. How to calculate average profit? Already I have discussed in the last video how to calculate average profit, how to calculate weighted profit. Okay. If you have built the concept in calculating average profit and weighted average profit, then you can understand easily how to calculate weighted super profit. Okay. Average profit already I have discussed 1,50,000. Next, normal profit. I will have to calculate normal profit. Okay, normal profit is equal to capital invested. Normal profit is equal to capital invested. Normal profit is equal to capital invested into normal rate of return into normal rate of return divided by 100. Okay, you have already written this formula. Again listen. Normal profit is equal to capital invested into normal rate of return divided by 100. Okay. Then capital invested. How much capital invested there? Capital invested 12 lakh. Okay. Then here you will write 12 lakh into normal rate of return 10%. Okay. Divided by 100. Please calculate it. 12 lakh into 10 divided by 100. 1,20,000 rupees. 1,20,000. Okay. Capital invested 1,20,000 into 10 divided by 100. 1,20,000. Already calculated. Then we know very well how to calculate the super profit. In last video you have already written the formula how to calculate super profit. The super profit, this is 1, this is 2. How to calculate? super profit. Okay, you know very well the formula of super profit. Actual average profit minus normal profit. Actual average profit minus normal profit. You know very well the formula. Actual average profit minus normal profit. Okay. Actual average profit is how much? 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is our actual average profit. Here 1,50,000, and here you will write 1,50,000 minus normal profit. This is your normal profit, 1,20,000. Then you will get 1,50,000 minus 1,30,000. 1,20,000. Then you will get 30,000. Okay, 30,000 which you have got, that is called super profit. Okay, 30,000 is your super profit. Okay, super profit is equal to, you know very well, you have already written the formula in the last video. Super profit is equal to actual average profit minus normal profit. The 1,50,000 minus 1,20,000 is equal to 30,000. Okay. Then we will have to calculate value of goodwill. Value of goodwill. Okay. This is actual profit. Okay. And this is normal profit, and this is super profit. Now next and last, you are calculating goodwill. Value of goodwill. Value of goodwill. Value of goodwill. You know very well the formula of value of goodwill. Super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit into number of years purchase. This is the formula of value of goodwill. Already you have written in the last video. Super profit into number of years purchased. Okay, purchased, number of years purchased. Okay, already you have written super profit into number of years purchased. So super profit into what? This is super profit. How much? 30,000. So here you will write 30,000. Okay, 30,000 into number of years purchase. How much? Number of years purchase is, you can see very well, number of years purchase 1/2 years. They are already written 1/2 years. Means what? Into 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Then you will multiply it. 30,000 into 2.5 is equal to 75,000. 75,000. This is your answer. Okay, 75,000 is your answer. So try to understand again. Try to understand it again. Okay, try to understand it. Try to understand. In one, at first we have calculated actual average profit, total profit of last 7 years, 20,000 minus 70,000 minus 40,000. Okay, plus 2,50,000 plus 2,70,000. Okay, plus 3 lakh plus 3,20,000. Already we have calculated 10,50,000. Okay, 10,50,000. Now in second, average profit. We know very well the formula of average profit. 10,50,000 divided by 7. Why divided by 7? Because total number of number is given 7. Okay, that's why we have divided by 7. The 10,50,000 divided by 7, 1,50,000. Okay. Next, number 2, normal profit formula is capital invested into normal rate of return divided by 100. Capital invested into normal rate of return divided by 100. How much capital invested? 1,20,000 into 10 divided by 100 is equal to 1,20,000. Okay. Super profit is equal to actual profit, actual average profit minus normal profit. What is actual average profit? 1,50,000 minus 1,20,000 is equal to 30,000. In 4, value of goods is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. Super profit is 30,000 into 2.5 is equal to 75,000. So these sums we have already done in this class. Next video we will solve next question. Okay, how to solve next question in next video I will definitely discuss you. Okay, in this video you knew how to solve a problem of super profit method. Next video you will know about next problem of super profit method, how to solve it. Next video you will I will discuss in next video. Thanks for watching this video.